we see different type of information in newspaper and magazines which are presented in the form of picture. For example, look at this picture. The information on the working women in United States of America is shown. This picture is give information about the number of working women in the year 1940 to 1944. We can clearly see that number of women increases as the year increases. We also see some such pictures in the newspaper. This picture gives the information of the population of tigers in India from the year 1972 to 2007. We understand from the picture that the population of tiger is increases and then decreases in the given year. We also get information on sports and environmental issues in the form of these rectangular bars in the picture. Thus, we see that our day-to-day life we get such information in newspaper, magazines, television and other places. We represent this in table or in the pictorial form. This is called as data handling. In this lesson, we will study about the meaning of data, frequency distribution, interpretation of pictograph, drawing of pictograph, interpretation of bar graph, drawing a bar graph. What is data? Let us understand the meaning of data with few examples. This is a classroom of grade 6 students. Teacher: Rita, you please collect the data on weight of each student and give the information to me. Rita: Sure, ma'am. Rita wrote the information in a paper and gave it to her teacher. Weight of each student of grade 6 in kgs: 35, 42, 38, 45, 47, 36, 39, 43, 44 and 45. The runs scored by a batsman in various matches are 34, 72, 13, 25, 78, 99, 83, 66 and 22. A shopkeeper's sale. Shopkeeper's sale in rupees for different items in a month is 15,000, 13,000, 20,000, 11,000 and 16,000. In all the examples discussed so far, you can see that we are getting information about something. All these information were in numbers. So we can say that a data is a collection of information in the form of numbers. The data can be collection of information about weight of student in a class, runs scored by batsmen on various matches, sale of a shopkeeper. There are two types of data: ungrouped data and grouped data. The data presented by Rita to her teacher about weights of student in her classroom are 35, 42, 38, 45, 47, 36, 39, 43, 44, 45. This is an ungrouped data or raw data. By observation, can you say how many students are there in between 39 kg to 42 kg? It is very time consuming to see the numbers and find out the numbers that fall between the weight of 39 and 42. So we decide to make a table and draw the number in this way. Now it is easier to answer our question. By looking into the table, we can say that there are two students whose weights fall between 39 to 42 kg. This way of representing the data is called as group data. Frequency distribution. The number of times a particular number occurs is called its frequency. For example, the score of a batsman recorded for 10 matches are 34, 72, 34, 25, 50, 72, 72, 25, 50 and 72. Let us see and convert this data in a table for better understanding. For this, we draw a table for heading scores of batsmen and with three subheading observation, tally marks and frequency. We read the raw data and wrote the tally marks in the appropriate observation. Write the number in ascending orders in the observation column. There is only 125, so put 1 marks in tally marks column. Since the number 25 is appearing only once, so we write 1 in the frequency table. 34 and 50 are appearing 2 times, so we put 2 marks on tally marks and frequency column put 2 number. Number 72 occurring 5 times, so we put 5 marks here and write 5 in the frequency column. Remember, when there are already 4 tally marks like this and we have to enter the 5th marks, then we put a cross line like this and is counted as 5. This is called frequency distribution table. A frequency table organizes the data into categories to show the frequency of each observation. Example 1. Indian national football team scores the following goals in a match: 2, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 1, 2 and 2. Make a frequency distribution table and enter the data into tally marks. Draw a table with the heading as Indian national football team scores. Write the numbers in ascending order in the observation column. The score 1 is appearing twice, so 2 marks, and we write 2 in the frequency column. The score 2 appears 6 times, so we put 6 marks here and write 6 in the frequency column. The score 4 and 5 appears only once, so we write 1 each in frequency and tally marks column. From the table, we can observe that they score 1 twice. They score 2 in 6 times.